All right, guys, here we have the 2022 Husqvarna TE150i. You get kind of the same updates on this bike as you do the 300. I did the 300 video already. If you missed that, though, obviously the gray color scheme is the huge update on the TE models. You have a gray seat, gray frame, gray fork guards, bunch of cool stuff. Also, no more McGurr components. Everything's brake tech. So brake tech brake, brake tech caliper, brake tech master cylinder, brake tech slave cylinder, and the stuff from all the reviews I've read online, the guys rave about the brake tech stuff. There's a very dark graphite color to the caliper and to the master cylinders, which I think looks really cool. The fork and shock both got valving updates. Probably something super minor to the shim stack. And that's all you're going to get, guys. That's all the updates for this year. But be excited, because there's going to be this generation's been out for a little while. Next year we can probably expect some kind of complete overhaul. So since there's not a lot of updates to go over on this model, I'm just going to tell you MSRP I believe is $9,200 on this model. And I'm going to go ahead and start it up for you and let you hear it. KTM recommends you always hit your starter once and wait about 10 or 15 seconds for the battery to awaken or activate. Kind of warms it up. Super versatile bike, guys. A great bike for someone smaller or lighter, or someone just riding super slow technical stuff all the time, or beginner level, but yet even somebody who's an expert rider, this would do everything they want to do, and is going to be a blast on it. And they're going to be able to maneuver this thing and do pivot turns and just really move the bike around more so than you can on the 250 or 300. Definitely a fun bike to ride. I mean, I'm 210 pounds, and I have a blast on this thing. It's one of my favorite bikes to ride. Let's give it a little gas here. Just an awesome machine. If you're interested in one of these, email sales@aomc.mx. See what they can't do to get you set up. And the gray handguards, I forgot to mention those, which I do like, but I would have liked a gray mask to go with it. But you guys know me, I'm obsessed with the gray. I would do the whole bike in gray if I could. So awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. And make sure you subscribe, stick around, because I'm dropping videos on every 2022 model I can. And yeah, if you guys got any questions, leave them in the comments, or you can always shoot me an email to Ryan@aomc.mx, and I'll help you out however I can. See you in the next one.